Hey guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Happy New Year to us all. Welcome back to the day 19 of this logo design challenge. Due to the network issue I've been having, I've not been able to upload the full logo design challenge. But before the end of this month, you'll be getting, or even before the end of 2 weeks now, you'll be getting the full 21 days logo design challenge on this channel. So this is the day 19, and we'll be looking at how to design the amazing logo in the thumbnail. So I'll just have to, just like I've been doing before, I'll have to take the shape I want to use for this design. I can just select this shape and increase the size a bit, then use this relative position it at the middle like this, and then I will then have to I will copy this. Once I copy this, I will reduce the size a bit, then change the color so that it will be more visible. So enabling this like this, I can just pick this color, and then you can see that it's now visible. I can now reduce the size to place the particular place I want to edit it. Then using this same relative position, I'll make it to be at the middle, just like this. Good. So I'll just merge these two shapes together like this. So I can just like I've been merging before, just merge these two things together, and then I'll be erasing one of the colors from this. Go to erase color, enable this erase color. Once you enable it, every white color of it will be removed. Then tap on this pencil icon, place this color here because this is the one I want to erase. Then I can just tick this good like this. So this color has been erased very well. I can also go back to this color and maybe I can just select this white color. Good. So what I'll do next is I'll have to take a shape. I'll take another shape here. Then the color I'll be taking, let me take this purple color too, and I'll just have to use it to edit some things, just one or two things here. So I'll just make this to be like this. Just reduce the length at this point, or better still, let me change the color to white so it will look uniform. Change this color to white, then reduce it like this. Just use your eye to adjust it very well in such a way that it will look the same with the width of this circle. So after I've done this, I'll have to copy this and I'll place this here too. That's, I will have to replicate this particular thing I did here. So use this position to shift this like this. Good. So I'm done with this. I'll have to copy this. Let me copy this, and then I'll just rotate it like this and reduce the width so it will fit in like this, and reduce it to the formal size. Then I'll place this thing here. You can see how this looks now. And the next thing I'll do here is I'll have to go to another shapes. So I can just go to shapes straight like this, and then select this I'll select this triangle, then change the color. At this point I'll change the color to black and reduce the size like this, shift it this way, and just make this edit like this. Can just use this position to make sure it's being placed well. So after I've placed this here, I'll have to, let me copy this particular one I used before. So I'll copy this and I'll just rotate it. Sorry. And just rotate it and change the color also. I'll change the color to black at this point. And then I'll have to place it here. I can also use this relative position to make sure it's at the middle. Place it here. Then I'll copy this too and bring it up like this. Using this, I'll also place it like this. Good. I'll have to copy this again. I'll copy this. I'll place it here. I can just increase the width a little and then place this one here. Using this position, I can simply adjust it in such a way that this line will join with the white line that is here. So you can see that our logo is ready, or I can decide to just adjust this one like this. Depending on your choice, you can decide to adjust it. So at this point, I'm done with this. The next step here is I'll have to merge everything that is here together. I'll just have to merge all the shapes that are here. Then go down to erase color, enable it, and then I will erase the black colors, all the black colors. So erasing the black colors will give me this logo, and you can see that this is the exact logo I just designed, that you just saw on the thumbnail. So the next thing you can just do here is to add the name of this logo, and just go to text, go to edit, and then type in the name of this logo, which is AKD logo, or any name of your choice you think will suit the logo you design. After doing this, I can simply increase the size of this, then go to my AB font, and then select a font of my choice and pick it. So I'll be selecting this American Captain. You can select anyone you want depending on your choice, just to just make sure that the font is a bold font and a straight font, just similar like this one. After this, I can just go down to color, select a black color, and then add a stroke to it, add a white stroke at this point to make it look nicer. Then go down to shadow, enable the shadow. I can simply use the offset of x-axis and y-axis to make it more real, to make it more captivating. Good. Selecting this one too, I'll have to apply the same thing I did. Go down to shadow, enable the shadow, and I can also do it this way, do the edit this way. You can see that the logo is looking very fine and nice at this point. This is how this amazing logo was designed. So thank you once again for being on this channel, for watching this video. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, so anytime a new tutorial is uploaded, you will be notified immediately. And don't forget to share this video to your friends, to people who you know might be needing it. Share this video, and also share your comments on the comment section how useful this video is to you. If you need any other logo idea you want me to do a tutorial on, you can also share the comments in the section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thank you once again, and I'll be expecting you in my next video.